this video I will going to demonstrate how to create abstract of measurement in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to project. Then click on abstract of measurement, which is a sub-menu of project finance. In order to create new abstract of measurement in ERP, click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, a form will open. Here in project field you will going to select the project for which you are making this particular abstract of measurement. Here you will select your bill type, whether it is a first bill or running bill. Suppose here I am taking the case of first bill. Here you will going to select the service area. Here you will going to enter the measurement period. Like here I am entering the measurement period from 5 to 23. Now click on save button. After clicking on save button, click on fetch from JMS. As soon as you will click on fetch from JMS, you will able to see the JMS of that particular area here with all the required details. Now click on submit for approval button in order to submit it for approval. Now the project coordinator has right to validate or reset to draft this particular abstract of measurement. Now click on validate button in order to validate this particular abstract of measurement. As soon as you will click on validate button, you can generate the invoice by clicking on generate invoice button. Here you will select the product name. What is your all the mandatory fields which are in blue have to be filled by the user. Otherwise the ERP will show the warning. As soon as you will click on generate invoice button, the invoice for this particular abstract of measurement has been generated in the system. This is how you will create abstract of measurement in ERP.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.